Alright everybody, welcome back. Brillo here with Free My Vunk. Now we're going to do a short tutorial on importing a paper wallet into Mist. Okay, many of you set up your first Ethereum wallet and got a paper wallet, something like from myetherwallet.com. So I'm going to show you how you would then be able to use this. So let's make up a wallet here. So obviously this is not your real password, kind of password you want to use, but for tutorials it works. We're going to generate our wallet. Okay. Now, as you can see, gives us our address. We've got our encrypted private key and our unencrypted private key. Most of the time, most of you printed off your wallet and you got this. Okay, this private key down here at the bottom is unencrypted, and that's the number you want. So if you got your piece of paper, this is the number you're going to need. Okay, so all you need to do, if you've got it open, I'm just going to copy it, but you'll open up text editor. And we're just going to open up a new one. And it opens up in rich text. We want it just to be in regular, just plain TXT. We don't want a rich format. So the shortcut command is just Command-Shift-T to put it into regular text format. All you do is paste it in there, and we're going to save it. It's something easy like key. I'm going to save it on my desktop here. So then, let's minimize this. You're going to have to open up the command line interface of Geth. If you watch our other video, I showed you kind of a brief install, or a brief way of how to install it. So if you haven't installed it yet, watch that video and you can find out how. So go into your Geth directory and all you do is go account import, and then you just have to tell it the location. So you just go, since you saved it to your desktop, it's just the tilde, which is your home folder, / desktop key, enter, and it asks you for the password. It doesn't have to be that same password that you typed in on Ether Wallet or whatever. All that does is encrypt it. So since we have the unencrypted key, now we're actually going to encrypt it and make the file. So got it. You can see that it matches the address that we had there. So we're going to close this. And now, if we open up Mist, there's our address. So you're all in. And so then you, obviously this is unencrypted, so you need to delete this. And don't let that be anywhere. But then you can just go and back it up like you normally would. And you've got a encrypted, good private key file. So that's the first way. If you happen to have, if you had downloaded the JSON file, if you have the unencrypted, you can get the private key out of the unencrypted. If it isn't encrypted, like Ether Wallet says, you have to use only theirs can decrypt it. You can't do it through Geth at the moment. So I'm going to show you an example of, if you look in here, if you have your unencrypted JSON, it'll say you just open it up, and right in there is your private key, unencrypted, that then you would paste into the file and be able to use. Thank you very much for watching. That's the easiest way to import a paper wallet at the moment. I'm sure as they add features to Mist, they'll make it so you can scan a QR code or something like that. Right now it can show you the QR code, but it doesn't accept them so that you could just import it directly. So right now you do have to use the command line, which is a little way around, but the command line is worth it. There's many other features you can do in it that they haven't incorporated in Mist yet, like changing your password, updating your key file, some things that are important that as of right now I would install it. So look at my other video so that you can install it alongside your Mist and be able to do everything that you need to do. Hope you enjoyed. Any questions, feel free to message us. Thank you.